classify it as convex or concave, and then is it regular or irregular? All right, so a star, this has 10 sides, so it is a decagon. It is definitely concave because of these sides pushing in. Also, if I extended one of the lines, it would go through the center. And we would say that this is irregular because of the angles. Yes, these angles are the same, but what about these guys? All right, in B, there are 6 sides. So we have a hexagon. Hexagon, this is a convex shape. Everything's pointed out. And it is irregular because the angles and the sides are all the same. All right, lastly, we want to find the either perimeter or circumference, whichever is appropriate in this case, and then the area round to the nearest tenth, so 1 decimal place. All right, so because we have a circle, we'll start with circumference. That is pi times the diameter. Diameter here is 8. So that means that we have pi times 8, or 3.14 times 8. Which will give us about 25.1 inches. We also want the area, which is pi r squared. So the radius would be half of this, so the radius will be 4. So that's the area is pi times 4 squared, or 16 times pi. So the area is going to be about 50.2 square inches. Units do count. I will, that is important that the units are correct. All right, for the perimeter of this next shape, don't forget 4 sides means 4 numbers we're adding together. They're all 6.5, so you can either add them all together or just multiply 6.5 times 4. It's up to you. It does not matter. So when I add them together, I'm going to get the perimeter is 26 inches. The area here, we multiply the length times the width, or side times side. So that's 6.5 times 6.5. My area is going to be 42.25 inches squared. And last but not least, our triangle. So we have 3 sides of a triangle. Add them all up. That's 15 plus 8 plus 17. So my perimeter is going to be 40 meters. My area, on the other hand, is 1/2 times the base times the height. Even though this is kind of upside down, this is the base, the horizontal, and this is the height, the vertical. So that area is going to be 1/2 times 15 times 8. And when we multiply those together, that will give us 60 meters squared.